A rustic farmhouse backyard has a certain allure. It exudes tranquility, combines classic charm with contemporary comfort, and provides a charming haven just outside your door. Your neighbors will be in awe of the rustic farmhouse backyard garden and sitting area you create with the help of this video. We've created the ideal layout to assist you in creating your peaceful haven, whether your preferences are for comfortable fire pits, lush foliage, or vintage furnishings. A rustic farmhouse backyard is more than just a garden. It's a haven where people can relax, connect, and take in the beauty of nature. Imagine a sitting area that is so appealing you won't want to leave. Flowers in full bloom, and leafy trees providing shade. Tall, leafy trees not only provide natural shade, but also create a sense of grandeur. Beneath them, a circular stone patio becomes the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. The foundation of any dream backyard lies in its layout. Thoughtful zoning transforms your space into a functional and aesthetic masterpiece. Think of a central sitting area surrounded by garden beds and pathways that flow naturally, inviting you to explore every corner. A vibrant garden is the heart of a rustic backyard. Think colorful zinnias, cheerful marigolds, and delicate daisies arranged in wooden raised beds, bordered by lush green hostas. A backyard garden and sitting area that is not only lovely, but also a private haven is a farmhouse dream come true. Every element, from comfortable seating configurations to an abundance of greenery, is intended to inspire. If you like these suggestions, please subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss* and give this video a thumbs up.